Morning. I'm sitting here in my Subaru this morning, and I'm sitting out here because I installed a new part today. Now, one of the things I don't like about my Subaru is the auto engine off. Every time I turn the car on, I have to reset it every time. It never remembers it. Well, there was a bit of part that fixes that. It's a direct replacement switch. It replaces this little guy here with what looks to be a very factory looking switch. And as you can see, even the lights and everything match. Now this switch has a memory to it, I believe. Or circuitry that has a memory. So when I get back in my car and start it, the auto engine off mode kicks on. So I no longer have to remember that. So that's a little upgrade that if you're annoyed with this feature as much as I am, you might want to get. Bye.